Today we're going in Urban!
Good morning. We are going to Sapporo for our Valentine's trip. Sa trip na to, kasama ko syempre may Valentine date, Athena Ray, sila mommy and daddy. Yung sila sa likod. Kasi si Athena gusto niya makita yung mga airplane. Kaya nandito kami sa may window. Are you excited to go to the snow again?
Yeah. Can I eat in the airplane?
Yeah, of course. What do you want to eat in the airplane?
Can I have a table?
You want a table?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We will ride the small airplane, okay?
Oh, big one.
Big airplane? We will only ride the small airplane for
No.
now. Naku po. Hindi kasi business class kasi
Small airplane, I want big one.
Athena,
big
it's
one.
okay as long as we're flying. Kasi tinry namin yung direct flight ng Cebu Pacific. So, first time namin na magda-direct flight. By the way, it's our 5th year in Sapporo. Sobrang naka-excite na natutuloy ko pa rin tong family tradition. Hindi ko alam.
Hello.
Pero I'm so happy na
Meh.
we're back. So, yan. First time namin mag-direct flight. I think 5 hours and ilang minutes yung direct flight going to Sapporo. Oh, look! Look! Airplane! Okay, guys. So, we're just gonna eat. Say, see you later.
Okay, bye.
Just like mommy.
Hi, let's ride.
Oh, it's slide. Let's
Come on,
go.
mommy, come on.
Can I see your face?
Hi.
Excited? Are you excited?
Wait, where's your bathtub?
Oh, there's no bathtub in here, baby.
Oh no. Ah.
Oh. Did you untag again?
Yeah.
So beautiful, my love. Wow, are you ready? 2 thumbs up. Ready? So good. Okay, let's ride the car there. Let's go, let's go. There you go, baby.
Is it cold?
You want a hug?
You want hug?
Because it's so cold. Ay, okay na, okay na. Na-demo na siguro. Na-demo na. Parang 5-hour flight ata yun.
Masas ka na bata.
A puffer fish! It is a puffer fish!
Do you like that,
So
Tino?
cute!
Are you excited?
Okay, that's the snow.
You wanna build a snowman? Be careful lang, so slippery.
So soft!
It's so good. Do you like this? What?
My hair.
In your hair.
I let go. So cold.
So
Fish must scream.
Christmas tree.
You blow it, blow it. Blow. Lower. Blow.
Wow! What are you doing?
I'm touching the snow.
Okay, just touch the
What?
snow.
Can I eat this?
Lemon?
Yeah, mommy, can I have a peanut coke?
There you go.
Come on.
Yay!
More?
More?
More, yeah.
Okay. Last one.
First one I get.
Okay, last one.
Wagyu ba to?
Apa Wagyu.
High five. Okay.
No more. Uy, te.
Ayaw niya po
First time mo ba?
Ayaw niya po maglaro sa snow.
Hindi waterproof yung suot mo. Tara na, Espasol. Game na game ka naman dyan. Hi, lover! Hey! Hi! Ay, naku, kahit sa tabi-tabi na lang na snow, naglaro na. I like your outfit. Can you show them your outfit? Wow! We're matchy! What's that? You're so beautiful, lover. Egg sandwich and family chiki again and again for mommy. And what are you eating? Can I see? Wow, it's a strawberry pan.
Yeah.
Want me to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. You say please.
Wee!
Family chiki and egg sandwich.
You want to sit down? Tumama ka dito.
Tumama ka din sa buhay mo.
Mama ka sa wakas.
Amazing? Is it amazing? Can you catch a snow?
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets.
Athena, what are you doing?
'Cause we're in this together now.
You're smashing.
Yeah, we're in this together now. No, 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 no.
Say hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, lover. It's ski resort day. Pero hindi siya mag-ski.
Hi guys, welcome my channel. Today, we're going to zoo!
Yay! Let's go, madam. Daming stopover. Kain ng kain. Oh, we love wine. Oh, they know we're going roll over the snow. Wow. Are you happy? Ready? Get set? Go. Sleep, 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 sleep. Oh, sleeping! You're so cute, lover. What are you doing?
You want that?
Go with Mommy and Wawa. I love it. Whee! Okay, okay na. Ang intense nun. Okay. You want more?
No!
Okay, okay, okay. No more, no more.
Hindi na din ako.
That was intense.
Flash!
Ayaw fast? Sorry, I thought it was slow, baby.
Boom!
Si Daddy.
Okay lang, Dad!
Okay lang yan, para siyang airbag. Okay, so dito na lang tayo maglaro sa snow sa gilid. Ayan. Ito na lang yung gusto niya. Ayaw niya na mag-slide. Sabi naman ni Mom. Okay, let's go. Let's try it ng kami dalawa lang ni Mommy.
Aray ko! Dad?
Mommy,
Ba?
are you...
Parang ako nakabsaklat nito ah! Baka inanak ka tayo! Enak ko na!
Okay, let's go!
Let's go, baby!
Mommy! Kami tayo pinakamaingay. Wait lang. Pinapatayo na tayo agad.
Alam mo na. Baka bumalik ako. Para ako nanganak.
Grabe, napakaingay na. Ang ingay namin. Yung anak ko dito, chill lang ako. Hi!
I grow to mommy.
Yes!
I'll mommy stand up and grow to mommy.
Okay, you throw to mommy.
Okay, wait. You're done.
Okay pa.
Are you ready, mommy? Atina's
I'm scared!
something.
I'm scared! Ay! I throw to Tina! Ay! Grabe. Snow lang pala. Sana sa likod na tayo ng hotel. Kanina pa kami dito guys. Isang beses lang siya nag-slide.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Okay.
Look, oh,
Ah!
Tina.
Look at Tina! Oh, it's so beautiful! Ah, siya din daw. Gawa din daw siya. Can I see? Oh! Oh! Look, oh!
Must it?
I know you will smash it.
Boy, boy.
Ay, sasiguan na.
You want mommy to carry you?
Yeah, no.
Jano? Good na. Okay. Okay, pizza break. Wow! Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ngayon si Athena. Maglalaro lang siya dito sa gilid-gilid dahil di naman siya nag-ski. Tapos sarado na rin yung snowland. So, ayan, naglalaro-laro lang siya dito sa gilid. Guys, may Dippin' Dots sila dito. Kaso walang banana split. Wee! Dippin' Dots! Hindi to malulusaw. Yun nga, sumay pa tayo. Hindi to malulusaw. Wow, Dippin' Dots!
I don't like?
You like it? You like it?
You don't like? You
Hindi
like?
niya gets yung ice cream.
Yummy.
Ba't na bilog-bilog?
Huh?
Wait lang pa.
Dito lang sa first.
How?
It's so cold.
So cold?
Oh no, my sticky bubbles on my hand.
Ang arte talaga ng anak mo, Diva.
Like mother, like daughter.
Guys, naiwan ako ng bus kaka-TikTok ko. So, pag nakita niyang in-upload ko siya sa TikTok, comment nyo na lang. Ito namang sila daddy, talagang sumakay sa bus na yun. Dinala yung anak ko. Nakakatawa, kitang-kita ko yung mukha nila daddy habang kumakaway sa akin. Habang gumagalaw na yung bus. Tapos ako parang sobrang in shock ako na talagang tumuloy sila nang hindi ako kasama. Daddy, sige na, sabihin mo na. Kaka-TikTok mo yan. Sabihin mo na, sige na.
Kaka-TikTok mo. TikTok pa mo.
Ano nangyari?
Iwan. Iwan.
Pag nakita ko na, sana nakita ko. Bye.
Tapos wala ka palang pera. Ano? Wala ka palang.
May soy ka ako. Kagising lang yan. There's more there.
I want a prayer. I want a prayer.
Is that Moana?
Yes, I want this.
Oh. What's that?
You have more.
Yeah, there's more there. Hi. Playground again? It's closed already. Athena's favorite, Xiaolong Pao. Tina, what do you want to eat? Point. Okay, baby. Okay guys, so bibili ako ng bagong specs dahil sobrang bugbog na yung specs ko. Nakakatuwa, may libre silang case and solution if ever na naka-contacts ka. Doon kasi sa Philippines sabi, bawal magpa-eye examination kapag galing contacts. Parang ilang hours muna bago ka pwede. But here, pwede na agad-agad. 1D contacts nung suot ko na. So,
Ito ba? Mami.
hindi. Bumilog yung mukha mo. So, ayun, iti-check na nila yung eye ko. Tapos, 30 minutes lang nila gagawin. Red.
Oh, we fake.
As the same.
Okay. Okay, finish.
Okay. Finish? Okay. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung allergy to or what. Pero kanina pa ako sneeze ng sneeze.
Oh no!
So, take natin itong vitamin. Lemon from Lawson.
Oh, no.
Wait, kanaching na naman ako.
I want to put bubble more.
It might spill, baby. Sana effective to kasi hindi tayo pwede magkasakit. No, no, baby. Don't go there. Come here. Don't make mommy count. 1. Kailangan ubos talaga. Nagtataka ako guys kung bakit ang tahimik habang nag-aayos ako ng gamit. Paalis na kami. Ano yan? Humihilik pa, tinan nyo. Guys, ready to go na kami. Halata naman. Ayan na oh, nakabihis na. Lagi ko na lang siya sa stroller. Kasalis na kami. Actually, sila mami, may sarili silang lakad. So, kaming dalawa lang ni Athena today. Kasi sila mami, bibili nila yung mga nagpapasabay sa Deluxery at nagpapahanap ng mga items dito sa Japan. So, sakay ko na lang siya sa stroller para pagising niya. Mag-aquarium na lang siguro kami. Kasi may nakita kong aquarium nearby at sobrang hilig niya sa aquarium. Tapos nag-ulit siya ng penguin. So, sana may penguin doon. Pero ayun, buhatin na natin to. You're up already? You wanna go to the aquarium?
Can I see a penguin?
Okay, let's see the penguin. See? Look! That's a penguin lover! They're swimming! You like it? They're swimming!
Can I see a jellyfish now? Jellyfish?
Okay, jellyfish. There.
Bye-bye.
Why did you say bye to the penguin? Wow.
Jellyfish.
Like the jellyfish?
Yeah. I see a ocean.
Yes, ocean.
Penguin. Hello.
So close. Okay, I thought so.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. And you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know.
Ayan, sakto. Sinasabi niya kanina na, Mommy, I want ocean. Ayan, nasa ocean na siya. Pinakamaingay yung anak mo. This is for you. It's a matcha ice cream.
Wow, green one.
Yes.
Broccoli ice cream.
That's not broccoli ice cream, that's matcha ice cream. Siya namili ng ice cream niya, guys. Yung green yung pinili niya.
Ah.
Don't touch your tongue. It's dirty. No, it's for you. It's okay. I'm full. Thank you. Mommy will get tissue. Guys, pakibantayan. Kuna ko na ng tissue. What happened?
Open.
Are you excited?
Just shut
Can I
it.
see excited?
Shut it.
I
I love you.
I miss this. Where are you going? Come on. Hihirit na naman ang part ko. Ang oras na. Okay, I'm walking. Hey, the park is closed and you keep on sliding. Tinan mo, ilawan na kita. Ay, bata. Kaninong anak to? Ba't tayo umawat? What are you doing?
You have a license to play here because it's already nice.
Wala, sige. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Wala nang tao dito. Tapos siya. Ala, sige. Laro. Oh, choo-choo! Welcome aboard! Gusto yung anak mo! Sorry. Not fast. Okay, slow on. Lover, you're so pretty. Look at your face. You're so pretty. Morning guys. So, nandito kami sa Nijo Market. Pero yung kinakainan namin na snow crab, kung naalala nyo yung ito, ohiso, fully booked siya. Well, late din naman kasi kami pumunta dito. In-expect ko na talagang sobrang habang pila. But this time, hindi na sila nag-accept muna ng customers as of the moment. So sabi ni Kuya Matt, nung pumunta siya last time dito sa Sapporo, meron din daw parang kalasa nito, which is katapat lang, like here, ito. Sabi, ayan. So, tatry natin. If kalasa, tapos sabi ni Kuya Matt, mas mura din. Kasi kung kalasa lang, tapos mas mura, yun na yung next na i-recommend ko.
Ready, go.
I want you. Mommy, I want you.
Here's the king crab. King crab, guys, hindi snow crab. Tadaikimasu. Look at look at how big. Sarap. Ang sarap. Para sa presyo, ang sarap. Thank you, Kuya Matt. Nakatipid kami. Kami lang nandito, guys. Ayan, oh.
Mommy,
Yes?
I want to try.
We eat rice first. So good.
Yeah.
Round 2.
Sabi ka rin ba?
Ako nag-request na to, guys, na pamangalawa.
King yan bang?
King crab ba yan?
Kung pa sa king, yung ginawa mo. Diba king?
Sabi ko naman sa inyo, sobrang favorite ko ang crab.
Sumobra.
Sumabra.
Pag ikaw magka-allergy sobra.
Hindi tayo a-allergyhin. Guys, look.
Batang walang sawa sa crab.
Oh my gosh.
Yung gitera talaga to kasi siya nang pinapansin. Ayan.
Oh my goodness.
Bang, pangalawang kilo mo na yun. Grabe ko bang? Hindi na-aknat.
Ganon kumain.
Ganon,
CR ka mamaya.
Hindi naman siya kausap. What's that face? Was that a face?
Face na ba yan?
I love you.
The baby is sleeping. Sa kamay ko. Pwede niya matulog. Hihilig ko. Parang may bata yung may hilig.
Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa Morenuma Park. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, pero actually, sobrang biglaan nito kasi nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. Tapos sobrang ganda dito guys. Para siyang Niseko. Sobrang white lang lahat. Puro trees. Tapos pwede ka mag-sled. Kasi si Athena ngayon natutulog siya. Kaya na tayo nakakapag-vlog. Yes? Kaya? Bigat daw si Mami. Go, Mom. Ako na?
No.
Guys, tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-peaceful. Grabe. Ang tahimik. May snowfall. Para siyang Niseko. Pero 20 minutes away lang siya from the city. It's so peaceful. Snow. Okay? Are you so excited to play snow? Look at the snow!
Oh, the lilac snow
I taste the snow. Are you tasting the snow?
drifting drifting down so soft and slow. Outside my window, I watch it go. All the lilac snow. And though the world may seem so still, it's coming in a distant chill with the memories of winters past, of the ones I wish would have lasted. Oh, the lilac snow tells secrets of long ago, of carols sung, of gifts we know.
Wow. Ay, prenup pala, prenup. May prenup.
So, anong gagawin mo?
Athena, let's throw snowballs at them. Okay, come on, throw snowballs like that.
Like that.
Like that.
No, not like that.
No, just kidding. Just kidding. You're so funny talaga. I'm gonna make a lot of snowballs. Don't go inside!
Won't go inside?
Buti na lang, ang ganda ng
Ooh.
Naglalaway. Mag-freeze yung laway niyan.
Ay, punasan.
Whoop!
Oo.
Oh! Stolo mo!
Tignan mo tong batang to. Ayaw mag-sled. Gusto niya lang yung puwet gamit niya pang slide. Mommy first, you want? Okay.
Ayaw, Athena.
Okay, mommy only. Walang sled. Walang sled. Ready? Get set. Ang bilis. Ang bilis na lang.
Ito nagkusa.
Yung isa mo, ito mo yung maliit na no. Nag-slide pa din hanggang ngayon.
Ang gusto pumatay sa akin, Papa.
Sino?
Diba? Sabi niya, Mami, try mo. Okay, ayos. Parang hindi.
Whee! Parang pumipreno. Uy, Daddy! Sobrang layo ng nilakbay ko, guys. Para umabot sa tuktok. Para mas mataas. Try natin. Mali mo mas thrilling. Let's go. Ay, kunyari slide din. Ay, kunyari slide din. Ay, sus, ay, sus, ay, sus. Ay, sus, ay, sus. Wow! So strong! Okay, guys. So, try naman natin. So, sa pinaka-tuktok. Kasi dun sa pinaka-dulo dun. Kanina mga dito lang eh. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa dulo. Hi! Dito tayo sa dulo, guys. Go! Malayo na. Gusto mo yan eh, no? Oh. Yan! Boom! Oh, diba? Sira! Boom! Sira! What happened? What happened? Oh, your face is so red. Like that? Like that? Like mommy? So, nandito kami guys sa Sal Coffee. Magko-coffee muna kami bago kami mag-iitsiran dahil si Athena ay nag-request na ng snacks. Actually, kami lang yung customer dito. I hope this is good. Yay! That's for you, lover. Siyempre, hindi na natin mapipicturean ng aesthetic yan. Ito na naman tayo. Pero siyempre, unahin muna natin si Madam Athena. Gusto niya rin to guys, ichiran. So, ayan. Prepare muna natin si Madam.
Naka-high chair siya dito sa tabi ko. Sa Hong Kong kasi, may nada-download na app na free yung Ichiran for Kids. Tapos meron silang Ichiran for Kids. Dito kasi hindi ko ma-download yung app ng Japan. Hindi available sa region nakalagay. Ang ending, share na lang kami ni Athena ng Ichiran. Walang spice tong Ichiran ko ng konti. Here's your mini Ichiran with rice!
The Father, is the Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, good night.
Not good night! Actually guys, medyo busog pa nga ako dahil sa club na kinain ko kanina kasi di ba nagdalawang round kami ng king crab. Pero busog or hindi pwedeng aalis ako dito nang hindi ako nag-iitsiran. Pag kinumpare nyo siguro yung mga videos ko na nag-iitsiran ako na medyo dumadami na rin.
I found it, guys. Hindi lang ako ma-over baggage. Dinamihan ko pa sana. This is my favorite wine. Sobrang mura niya lang, pero gustong gusto ko siya. Quick donkey run with mother. Hello.
As the lilac snow falls along